Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be talk about top 10 Hollywood 18 plus horror movies available in English and Hindi as per IMDb rating. Number 10, The Green Inferno, 2013. In New York City, college student Justin joins a group of activists led by Alejandro and travels to Peru to protest against a timber industry that is destroying the Amazon rainforest. When the group is returning to civilization, the plane blows up and crashes into the forest. Soon the survivors discover that they are not alone and they are abducted by a tribe of cannibals. Number 9, Friday the 13th, 2009. A group of young adults set up tent near the abandoned summer camp where a series of gruesome murders are said to have taken place back in 1980. The perpetrator was a grieving mother driven insane by the drowning of her child Jason, whom she believed was neglected by the camp counselors. As legend has it, the last survival of the attacks beheaded the woman, but then Jason came back and now he is a vengeful and inexorable killer wielding crossbows, swords, axes and other sharp instruments. The legend proves horribly true as these campers quickly discover 6 weeks later the brother of one of those campers distributes posters of his missing sister. The police believe she took off with her boyfriend, but he knows better. The brother crosses paths with an uptight young rich guy who is having his girlfriend and friends over at his parents' cabin. The brother ends up at the cabin himself just before his sister's attacker sets upon them all. Number 8, The Collection, 2012. A young woman named Elena Emma Fitzpatrick sneaks out of her house one night to attend an exclusive party, unaware of the horror that awaits her. A sick criminal known as the Collector crashes the party in search of fresh victims. When Elena goes into hiding, she finds and frees Arkin, Josh Stewart, the Collector's captive. Arkin manages to escape, but Elena is taken prisoner. A mercenary friend of Elena's father then forces Arkin to come along on a mission to free the young woman. Number 7, Pet, 2016. A psychological thriller about a man who bumps into an old crush and subsequently becomes obsessed with her, leading him to hold her captive underneath the animal shelter where he works. But what will the victim have in store for her captor? Number 6, Wolf Creek 2, 2013. A young man, Ryan Kaur, matches wits with a sadistic killer, John Gerrard, who lives in an underground booby-trapped lair in the Australian outback. Number 5, Ready or Not, 2019. Grace couldn't be happier after she marries the man of her dreams at his family's luxurious estate. There's just one catch: she must now hide from midnight until dawn while her new in-laws hunt her down with guns, crossbows and other weapons. As Grace desperately tries to survive the night, she soon finds a way to turn the tables on her not so lovable relatives. Number 4, Eden Lake. Nursery teacher Jenny and her boyfriend Steve escape from a romantic weekend away. Steve, planning to propose, has found an idyllic setting, a remote lake enclosed by woodlands and seemingly deserted. The couple's peace is shattered when a gang of obnoxious kids encircles their campsite, reveling in provoking the adults. The gang steals the couple's belongings and vandalizes their car, leaving them completely stranded. When Steve confronts them, tempers flare and he suffers a shocking and violent attack. Fleeing for help, Jenny is subject to a brutal and relentless game of cat and mouse as she desperately tries to evade her young pursuers and find her way out of the woods. Number 3, Cabin in the Woods, 2011. When 5 college friends, Kristen Connolly, Chris Hemsworth, Anna Hutchison, Frank Kranz, J.C. Williams, arrive at a remote forest cabin for a little vacation, little do they expect the horrors that await them. One by one, the youths fall victim to backwoods zombies, but there is another factor at play. Two scientists, Richard Jenkins, Bradley Whitford, are manipulating the ghoulish goings on, but even as the body count rises, there is yet more at work than meets the eye. Number 2, Wrong Turn 2003. Friends Gigi, Eliza Dushku and Carly Emmanuel Chirky are traveling with Paul Scott, Jeremy Sisto, Ivan, Kevin Zegers and Francine Lindy Booth when they have car trouble in West Virginia. Moments later, motorist Chris Desmond Harrington crashes into their disabled vehicle stranded. The friends discover that they are being stalked by a horde of backwoods cannibals. The woodsmen are hungry and fierce and they'll be eating well unless Gigi and Paul can outsmart them. Number 1, Saw 2004. Photographer Adam Stanheidt, Lee Vernal and oncologist Lawrence Gordon Carey Elwes regain consciousness while chained to pipes at either end of a filthy bathroom as the two men realize they have been trapped by a sadistic serial killer nicknamed Jigsaw and must complete his pre-verse puzzle to live. Flashbacks relate the fates of his previous victims. Meanwhile, Dr. Gordon's wife Monica Potter and young daughter Mackenzie Vega are forced to watch his torture via closed circuit video.